you guys, we're just going to pretend that my hair is looking normal. I tried fixing it up, but you know, it's just one of those days where the hair is just acting kind of weird. I don't know, just doesn't look right to me. Maybe it looks fine on camera. Maybe I shouldn't have mentioned it. I'm not really sure. But we're starting the video and I have zero makeup on. I did put a little bit of like refresher on. I put in a little bit of Hello Sunshine. This is Hello Sunshine. It's an antioxidant replenishing mist. So did a little bit of that action going on. Okay, so you guys, today is the day where I put on some colorful makeup look. Yes, colorful makeup look, all right? Kind of scared, but I'm gonna do it. And, you know, I'm a little bit hesitant, you guys. You guys know me. I'm more of a neutral, natural girl. I mean, I might play with a little bit of colors here and there, but nothing crazy. And this is going to be like a fun, colorful look. So, wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck. Alright, you guys. I went ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, and added in a little bit of bronzer. I was going to do my eyebrows, but I wanted to hold off on that just in case. So, holding off on the brows. And so I'm creating a rainbow plus a cloud makeup look. I've seen like tons of Instagram and TikTok and YouTube videos of so many people doing different cloud makeup look. So I went on Pinterest and kind of like looked through, get some ideals, inspirations, you know. And I came across this picture right here. Hopefully you guys can see what that picture looks like. Yeah, but basically it's a girl with blue hair. I'm not gonna like change my hairstyle. It's gonna be my own natural hair. But she has blue hair and it has glitter. She has like clouds and the main color is white clouds with pink sky background. I want mine to be like a more rainbow look. So you guys, if this video is a fail, I'm not really sure if I'm going to post it, but we'll see. All right. So here we go. Okay, so the palette I'm going to use, you guys, is the James Charles Morphe palette. It has a bunch of, you know, colorful, you know, looks you can choose from. So I'm using this palette right here. So the first color I'm diving in with is red. And I'm going to place that and maybe some down here. So now I'm diving into like an orangey color, and this orangey color in his palette, he calls it 518, like that. Like that. And if you ever feel like you have to go back in and possibly, you know, darken up or make the colors more pigmented, you can do that. So now I'm taking a yellow shade, and this is called B. I'm gonna place that up here. You know what I should have done? Probably like to really make these colors pop, truly pop, I should have placed on like a white background, I guess, and not bronze up my face. But you know, it's a learning process. For my green color, I'm taking this color called Social Blade, and it's kind of like a limey green color. So for my green, I'm gonna place it, I guess, down here. Right now, putting in faith, you know, trust the process. I'm just putting my faith in that because I feel like I look a little crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I feel and look a little crazy. Alright, so now for the blue, I'm taking the shade called Playground. And I guess I see a little bit of pattern going on. I'm like going this way with the rainbow color on this side and kind of like going downwards on this side. So, but the blue, I'm going to place it right up here. And if you notice, I'm like doing stippling motions, and if you're curious what brush I'm using, it's Dominique Cosmetics DS03, the blend and shade brush. I've been using the same exact brush for the entire makeup look, so just tap 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 tap. And you guys, I'm going to mix a little bit of a different blue shade I picked up a little bit of Hello, and I'm going to place that right on top. Not really sure if the camera's picking up on that, but there is definitely a difference. I kind of feel like the look is coming together. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of feel like it's coming together. Let's think positive. Think positive, you guys. Think positive. Alright, so for my purple shade, I'm taking this beautiful purple shade. This shade, he calls it Single. Add purple over here. And then we're gonna add some purple over here. And you guys, I kind of want to make this red right here a little bit more pigmented and a little bit more bigger, like that. I'm pretty sure this is going to stain my face, but all in the name of makeup. Alright? And it's not like I'm going anywhere. So now all I'm doing is just really touching it up, adding in colors a little bit more where I feel like it's needed. With that purple color, you guys, I'm gonna add in a little bit of artistry. Alright, so I feel like the rainbow part is somewhat done. I'm gonna go back in and touch it up a little bit, but I'm gonna go to the next part right now. So I'm taking my little cream palette right here, and I'm gonna use the white color to create the clouds. And the brush I'm using looks like this, alright? Just a brush I bought on Amazon. I bought it a long time ago. So, got a little bit of that white, and we're just gonna make some clouds. I kind of feel like making these clouds are gonna be a little bit tedious. And I also noticed just now, you want to like stick to one color section on your face at a time. You guys can kind of see the white is mixing in with the red right now. So just keep that in mind. So right now I'll just work on the red section. And again, I'm doing like stippling motion. Maybe like a little bit of dragging motion too, but really I'm just stippling. Alright, so my third cloud, I'll put one up here. I did like flip my brush around. So it's like technically a clean side brush when I land it on the green side. You guys, I really feel like this look is coming together. I am proud of myself. Okay, so I feel like I'm putting a little too many clouds on my right side. So let's do some on my left side. So let's do a little bit on my left side. Maybe like down here. A little baby one right there. And then a last one like right here. I kind of like how the James Charles shadows and the white that I'm using kind of like blends and mixes together. It looks pretty nice. I like it. So I'm done with the clouds, but I am going to add a little bit of gold on them in the little cream palette that I have. I have a gold color. I'm going to take that and kind of use it as like an accent to put some gold on it. So I'm keeping that gold color just on the top of the clouds. Alright, so if you think we're done, we're not. We are adding some glitter. You guys know how much I love glitter, so a cloud look, a crazy cloud look without any glitter on, no, that's not gonna happen. So we're using glitter, and today I'm using the glitter by Urban Decay Heavy Metal. If you guys are curious about this, I did do a review on it, so go check it out. This is the glitter gel. One is in Distortion, colors right there, and the other one is in Dreamland, which is this one right here. Alright, so, and for this, I'm probably just gonna use my fingers for it. I feel like the finger is just the best way to apply this glitter. Now I have to just figure out where I want to apply it. And I'm thinking probably just on the clouds. At first I was like, glitter everywhere. But we gotta make it look more sophisticated and put accents of glitter. So maybe just the first glitter shade I picked up was Distortion. Just like tap it. This would be like a perfect Coachella look or some type of like festival look. I would totally wear this. I mean, now that I know I can make this look pretty decent, I'm, not gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. So now that I know I can do a cloud rainbow makeup look, I would definitely do it again and go to some type of festival. And I mean, hopefully a festival will be around soon because we're just kind of stuck at home being quarantined. But alright, so the glitter just on the cloud is looking really good. And like I said, I'm just using my fingers and just kind of tapping it in. So the question is, do I want to use the other glitter shade? You know what? What the heck, let's do it. We're just gonna kind of very lightly, just very lightly. You see how like on the clouds, I kind of made chunks of glitter, but on the color part of my skin, you want the glitter to be there, but not there. Alright, so I'm back and I did put on my eye makeup on. I kind of skipped that part just because I wanted to focus on the rainbow on my face as well as the clouds. And if you're curious how I got this eye look, just let me know down below in the comment section and I will try to recreate the look for you guys. But the palettes that I used to create this can't talk. The palettes that I used to create this eye look is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Storm palette and the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam palette. Alright, so, and just quickly, if you're curious what the colors look like, this is the Celestial Storm, and this is the Rustic Glam. Alright, so there you go. And then for the glitter part on my eyes, I did use the Heavy Metal. This is the Heavy Metal Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in the shade Pyro. So I added that on the inner corner, and I also mixed that in with a little bit of Stila in the shade called Sunset Cove. Alright, so that is what I use. So a combination of these two together. And then I went ahead and added in some fake magnetic lashes, and that is the eye look. Alright, so I do feel like the center part of my face is kind of, it's lacking something. It's missing something, So I'm gonna take a blush, and the blush I'm using is by NYX. This is their Sweet Cheeks Glow blush. This blush is very, very pigmented, so you have to use, like, when I say a light hand, unless you want that pigmentation, use an extremely light hand. So taking this brush, I'm going to just place that on top of my nose and kind of blend that into the colors like that. Just on my nose and blend it out into the colors. And then right on top of that blush we just placed, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. Alright, looks like that. I'm going to place that using the same brush. I'm placing it right on top. And again, blending it out. So now I'm switching to a different brush, but the same highlighting powder. I'm going to kind of highlight my cheeks a little bit. And then to finish off the look, I'm taking a Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. We're gonna add in a little bit of Sunset Skin Gloss. Alright you guys, this here is my final look. Here is my attempt of doing the rainbow plus the cloud makeup look with a splash of glitter. And I mean, yeah, the makeup look is, I think, came out pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna have a lot of staining on my face, but it's okay. It's not like I'm going anywhere. We're still home, stuck in quarantine, so there's that. Yeah, I am really proud of myself, actually. I'm really proud of myself. So, like I said in my other videos, I will be diving into more colorful palettes, trying to do different crazy looks here and there, but of course, I'm still deep down a neutral, natural girl, you guys, so there's no denying it, alright? I hope you guys really did enjoy this content. This was actually pretty fun for me to do, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, to let out that creative side of me and to express it on my face and in like in makeup form, I think it's pretty exciting. So here's my take on a rainbow sparkly cloud makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, you guys. If you do want to watch more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe and click on that bell. And of course, if you aren't following me on my social media, you can do so by, well, scrolling down, going to the description box, and clicking on the links to each one of my social media: TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. And you know what? I might post a picture of me with a wig with this look on, this whole makeup look. So if you want to know, or if you want to see what that picture might look like, check it out on my Instagram. I haven't posted it yet, obviously, because, you know, well, I'm recording it right now, but who knows, it might be up before this video is posted live, or, you know, when it's posted up, or you get what I'm saying. If you want to see a picture of me with a wig on, follow me on IG. Links are down below. And I think that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.